Okay, all right. Now, like I said, when you're done saving all the contacts with the code name, just go straight to your contact. Yeah, here's my contact, and you type in the code name. See, there are lots of contacts. I can't just start looking for particular addition. So you just type in the code name CY. That's CY. It brings out everything with CY. See all the names with CY, CY, CY. Okay. Then you highlight everything. Select all. What I do, what I do to avoid the loss of data, I save everything to my Google Drive. Yes, so I just go click on these three dots here, share, share with text. No, I'm not doing that. Share with vCard. Yeah, that stands for the VCF stuff. Mind you, VCF stands for virtual contact file. Sorry, yeah. So I share with vCard. Click on that. Now this taking time. Should be taking time like this. Okay. Then save to drive. Save to drive. I opened a separate Gmail for this contacts again stuff. So here is it. Document title. So let's and vCards, VCF here. Then the account. I have other accounts there, but I choose the one I opened for this particular contact again stuff. Then I save it there. Let me see. Waiting now. Sorry, resume. Okay. Okay, alright. It's going through now. And this taking time, taking time. Okay. Then when I'm done with it, I click on it. So this is it now. This is file uploaded just now. It's the first one here. So I just download it. It goes straight to my download file folder, my file manager. I click on download. Or in case you just want to rename it, okay, let me add rename. You can rename it to this to any name you want, maybe the name of your group. So, but I'm not renaming it. I just download it, and when it's done downloading, the file is ready. So what you just have to do when it's done downloading, you just go to okay the preferred group you want to send it to. Let's see, okay, let me say I want to send it to this place here. Documents, browser that document. So this is one of the things. If you had okay renamed it, it will be easy to locate. But I didn't rename it. I'll just type on VCF search it. I think it should bring it out. Okay, this are VCF files, VCF files. So 1038, I think this is what I just did now. Click on it and send. Alright, that's it, that's how it is.